show me it again, James? Show me what's in there. Show me who's in the plane.
James,
Who?
James and Memaw.
Where are they going?
Is that not all the way to Mema's house?
Where are Memaw and James going in the airplane? Show me. Show me. Where are they going?
To Mema's house? Does they have a big fire pit?
Yeah.
Let's love you cook.
Ready? I'm gonna guess.
You want to show me who's in the plane?
Memaw and James.
Oh,
There's some live in the plane.
oh you're going to take Donald Duck with you too?
What is this?
Yep.
That's not circle.
Yes.
And wheels.
Yes. Who's that? Who's that?
Memaw and James. Like, I think it's
Yeah.
Diamonds?
how do you cut the diamond?
It's like a square.
Are they going to Memaw's house? You love Memaw?
Yeah.
You miss her?
Are you at her house?
She's at her house.
Does she have a big fire truck?
Yes.
Is the plane done?
Yep.
But this is scissors.
With these?
Are you ready to go home?
What are they?
They're propellers.
Like Harold.
Yes, exactly.
Does he not shoot at Thomas?
No.